Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a pan of colors that's a couple days old now. Prizm Pours, Primary Elements, Vivid Intense Fluorescence. This time I hope it was well sealed because it was getting a little gummy. And I'm just going to use it as a base. And I'm going to go on with my tree series and see if I can manage another tree. I do have some muck down here, but I think we can cover that up. These have gotten a little gray-brown. That's Chantilly lace. I'll just put a bunch of that in there. I'm bound to have more colors left. This is Cerulean blue. And I'm going to put in something that brightens this up a little bit. I'm going to put in some Fluorescent Red Violet, Vivid Intense. And I want something definitely brighter, so I'm going to put in some of the Sour Lemon that has Orange Crush in it. I brought out a bunch of colors. I'm not sure I need all of them, but I'm thinking that I want some of this shiny taffeta. And some of this magenta, Vivid Intense Fluorescent Magenta. That I didn't open all the way. Cover up anything that looks suspiciously brownish. And I haven't had any gold, so I'm going to use some Mayan Gold. But all that's making me want some vermilion for whatever reason. Maybe I can use some of this saffron instead. Oh, it's pretty closed up feeling. I guess I won't be getting much. But maybe some is better than none. I don't mind that at all. I'm going to have to clean that bottle tip out. So I have some of this blue that was made with, I believe, Frosted. And some ultramarine blue. Just some drops. Here's Fandango. Almost ready to go. Okay. Maybe just a little bit of... Oh, and it's not open. I want some though. Try and get some of this jasmine out. Back to this. I'm kind of thinking I want some of this Alizerine rose. Now that I've been away for a moment and come back again. Hopefully that'll be fine, and I'm going to put that into a container, a tray. Move my tweezers out of the way. I have no idea how much, if we have enough time left to do this or not. I got 9 minutes. You never know. It could happen. Alright, I thought I would start from the branches up, but what I really want to do is give myself a bit of a base. Oh, double streaming. And a big glop. Let's make sure there's nothing in the big... Yep, there is something in there. So that was Fandango. That's Royal Sapphire. And what I learned in one of these previous trees was that I like dipping my spatula into the colors and changing things up a little bit doing that. It's a neat effect. I like it. I'm going to do it some more too. And then I'm going to come in, hopefully, with my shovel a little more red. All right. I'm going to wipe that off. I might want to use that in a minute though. Wipe it off with my sponge and leave it in the drainer. Alright, so here goes nothing, I guess. I hope there's enough color. It gets stuck to the bottom, the suction. Kind of want more green. If I want more green, maybe I should have more green. Where'd I hide it on myself? There it is, right there. I see glop. I've realized it doesn't really matter that much if you dribble when you're doing your tree branches, because you can always put a new branch where your dribble wound up. I want some of that red. Now I want some orange. Scrape off the bottom of my shovel as best I can. I'm not super thrilled with my colors, so I'm just going to go in there. Add some more. Don't have enough of that cerulean blue and I like it. Gonna cross over. Weird little mark is gonna go. I think I'd like some more roots. use just a dipped shovel. Kind of looks like it needs some leaves or something at this point. It was a little risky trying to make this work. But I don't really mind trying new things. And I used some glop the other day and it worked out okay. And the colors still look pretty nice. Dip my shovel again. Kind of wanted to add a little dimension. Not sure I escaped all the brown. Now I have to see if the colors that I have left are amicable to putting in lots and lots of branches. And I'm just going to keep dipping. And poking my shovel into the picture, which is a weird way to describe it for sure. But I kind of like it. Yeah, I just did that. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I'm sorry. I just realized I wasn't saying a word. And there's no chimes and no birds anymore. My husband had an accident in the kitchen, so we're going to be short on time. But we'll go 3 minutes. I'll keep sticking branches in until I run out of time. So I love you guys. I have over 30 lists of 100 videos in each. And they're also organized by topic and genre, which makes it easy for me to retrieve because I've saved all the links. So if you ever have something in particular that you enjoyed, let me know and I'll share with you a link to a playlist. Unless you want to look for them yourselves, which is not the easiest thing in the world. In which case, you go to my channel and you go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists, and that'll help you find what you're looking for. Now, when I get to smaller branches, I could definitely go for the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I kind of want to show this to you. When the timer goes off, I'll show this to you. That looked like I had a vine in my tree, which isn't actually a bad idea. I could wind a vine around and put some leaves coming off it. Kind of like the colors. Kind of want some more of those colors down here. So I'm not sure. I did one of these trees with blossoms or buds on it, at least. I'm getting some kind of mucky color in there. I'm not sure about that anymore. I want to go all the way to the top. That's what my goal is. So I better get busy or I'm going to run out of time. And any marks you add are pretty much going to be camouflage so long as they're not one on top of the other. I like the lacy effect of the branches. Well, that was bad. I didn't realize I picked up quite so much paint. I'm going to leave it and hope that it decides to be amicable to being blended. Alright, so that's 1 minute left. And I'm going to keep adding branches, but in the meantime, since I have my phone, I'll let you know I am going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Just one mark too many down there. And shimmer this at you sideways. That looks pretty cool actually from up here. I like it. You'll have to turn your head sideways. Let's see. Maybe I can show it to you actually vertically. That's the best I can do. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Make sure you know my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com should you want to inquire about a private one-on-one class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchasing an artwork. My link tree is near the 20% off Colourarte coupon code and the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. Colourarte products, I'm an affiliate, so you help me out. You're going to be gone in a second, but I love you guys. Thank you guys for the donations through PayPal. Thank you for the memberships. You're helping me afford to paint. So check my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at Nautica.